If you're considering Airslate for your business, here are 7 things you need to know before buying. This software promises a lot, but it's important to understand how it stacks up against the competition and whether it really delivers on its promises. Stick with me until the end, because I'll be breaking down key insights that'll help you decide if Airslate is the right choice for you. First things first, Airslate offers a no-code automation platform. This means that even if you're not a developer, you can still automate your workflows, create custom documents, and integrate various tools. The platform stands out for its user-friendly interface compared to more complex systems like Zapier or Integromat. While both of those platforms are powerful, they require a steeper learning curve. Airslate, on the other hand, simplifies the process without sacrificing functionality. Next thing you should know, Airslate's document automation features are one of its strongest selling points. You can easily create and manage e-signatures, automate document workflows, and even create custom templates. This is something that platforms like PandaDoc or DocuSign also offer, but Airslate provides these features alongside automation tools, which makes it a bit more robust for streamlining entire business processes, not just managing documents. The third thing, Airslate's pricing structure can be a bit tricky. While it offers a free trial, once you move past that, it does tend to get a little more expensive compared to alternatives like Monday.com or Smartsheet. However, if you're looking for all-in-one automation, it might still be worth the investment. In comparison, Smartsheet is more project management focused, while Airslate allows a broader scope of custom workflows beyond just project tracking. The fourth thing to know, integration is key when considering Airslate. While it integrates well with a wide range of apps, it's not as flexible as Zapier when it comes to connecting with niche tools. So if you have some very specific integrations in mind, you might want to double check the available options before committing to Airslate. However, for most standard tools, like Google Drive or Slack, Airslate's integrations work seamlessly. Now, the fifth thing you need to know is the customer support. This is where Airslate stands out compared to some of its competitors. While many similar platforms have clunky customer service, Airslate offers a solid support system with easy access to help articles, tutorials, and live chat. This can make a huge difference, especially if you're running into technical issues with automation or document workflows. The sixth thing, scalability. Airslate shines in its ability to scale with your business. Whether you're a small startup or a larger enterprise, Airslate can handle the volume and complexity of operations. Unlike some competitors that are better suited for small businesses, Airslate is built to grow with you, offering more robust tools for larger teams and complex workflows. And lastly, if you're considering Airslate, it's crucial to know that the software is constantly evolving. Unlike older platforms that don't update their features often, Airslate has a strong track record of rolling out new updates and improvements based on customer feedback. This shows that the company is invested in keeping up with industry needs, which is something you don't always get from other competitors. If you're still interested in Airslate, here's something you should definitely know. You can try it for completely free with the best offer available through the first link in the description below. That way, you'll get access to all the features without any commitment. Just click that link and take Airslate for a spin, see how it compares to the alternatives, and make sure it's the right fit for your business needs. So, if you want to try out Airslate with all its exclusive benefits, click the first link in the description and start your free trial today. Don't miss out on the opportunity to test the platform and see firsthand how it can streamline your workflows and improve your business operations.